Tassie, here we come. I usually wouldn't buy food from the airport, but I'm starving. I think I'm gonna get one of them. The ham is still cold. This croissant is definitely not made with love or toasted properly. Look, the cheese isn't even melted. Is it possible just to get that one warmed up a bit more? The ham's still cold.
What was it? Mean cheese and tomato?
Yeah. You know when you're starving and you're really looking forward to something?
I'll make you another one, Giles.
Thank you so much. Round 2.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is for the attention of Jetstar customers traveling on J7x service to Hobart. This flight has now reached final stages of boarding. If you're in the terminal, please make your way with urgency to gate lounge 29.
Time to go. Where are you taking me today? Hobart. How's the weather in Hobart?
Amazing. It's just be a lot cooler anyway, so.
Can't wait.
Yeah.
Looking for. Thanks, guys.
No worries.
See ya. The good thing about Tasmania is you can eat apples right off the tree. Mmm. What are we doing today?
Oh, we're just about to go on the boat.
Lucy, jump on.
We're sailing along the Huon River this morning in Dad's boat. Pretty cool. Hey, hey, we're gonna fly the drone off the boat. Let's turn him on.
Okay, launching the drone.
Here we go. Ooh.
I don't want to get lost.
Some footage of the...
It's coming down.
Easy, let's just go down beautiful.
Lucy, do you want me to get ready to grab it?
Okay.
Get lower, get lower. Jeez, I'm getting actually really scared, Lucy.
Oh, that's alright. Oh my god, this is hard.
Oh, oh.
Fishing rods. I thought it was so good.
It's gonna be hard.
I would have just shut it down.
You can't, Dad. You can't just shut it down.
Has to land before it shuts down.
You want to open the hatch and just take it down and land in there.
Because the boat keeps moving, Dad.
Wait, Lisa, you should just go land it in the grass or something.
Hang on, I'll just cut the motor. Hang on. Okay, we're really drifting quite slowly now. And that's much better if you're going with the wind.
Yes!
Press the red button. God, I think you'd know how to fly it before you start flying it out.
Yeah, I don't. Usually you have to land it.